Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert circle extension and circle equal in world. So this is very easy to insert it. So first you need to click on insert and this last option symbol. So just click on it and more symbols. So this type of screen will be open. So you need to simply click on this drop down and font select this one. So font select this one, then type this character code. So you see this extension symbol. So just font select 229B. So this first one. So click on insert and this equal character code is 229C. So just type this character code and click on insert. Now close it. So very easily you can insert circle extension and circle equals in world. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.